How to enable Fiverr notifications.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable notifications on your Fiverr.com. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to Fiverr.com. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right, and then you will need to go to account settings, and there you'll find notifications. Tap on it, and then you need to scroll down to the bottom and make sure real-time notifications is toggled on, and you can also choose to toggle on or off the sound effects. And then here you can choose where you want to receive the notifications. You can just tap on it to tick and untick it. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.